Hi everyone, this is Michelle from PCS Edventures. I am part of the development team for the new BrickLAB STEAMventures curriculum. The activities in this series are designed to be a flexible starting point that you can adapt to meet the needs of whatever learning environment you find yourself in. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 possible implementation models for BrickLAB STEAMventures. Scenario number 1 is in person. So all of the activities in BrickLAB STEAMventures can be completed together with your students. On top of that, in the instructor guide, you have recommended books, video links, discussion questions to expand on those activities and support whatever teaching strategies you choose for your time together with your students. Scenario number 2 is blended. If your students' time is split between your site and their homes, BrickLAB STEAMventures comes with printed student magazines that can be sent home for students to work on independently. That leaves your time in person with them to go over instructions, have students share out work that they completed, or choose any of the teaching strategies that we covered earlier. Scenario number 3 is remote. In this case, both independent student work time and any teaching time are done remotely. Just like in blended, the printed student magazines can be sent home, and if you as the instructor want to expand on those activities, you can do that over a digital platform. You could use something like Zoom for a synchronous session to teach, discuss, or share out. You might also use a platform like Seesaw to share any digital resources asynchronously. So that is it for this video. I hope that no matter what learning environment you find yourself in, you and your students enjoy BrickLAB STEAMventures.